Hey guys, we are at Hilton Kota Kinabalu and we've got a really nice room to share with you guys. It is the King Executive Room. I'm actually in it right now and let's get straight into the tour. So as soon as you enter, on the left side is this massive, like really massive mirror. But it actually doubles as the toilet door. Inside the toilet, really spacious, nice lights, another mirror, which makes it look really nice. We've got all the nice amenities, Crabtree and Evelyn, towels. On the right side is the shower. So that means the left side is the toilet. I like it when it's separated. Really easy, really spacious and really nice. So coming out of the toilet, on the right side is another big mirror. There's a lot of nice mirrors here. There's a bit of a counter space here for you. Let's check out the right side first. This is basically storage. And right on the left is storage as well, but it's a slide out door. You've got some bathrobes, which are always nice for a hotel stay. Back to the center, if you look further down, okay, let's get down. There is a minibar. This is your coffee and tea. You've got a kettle and, well, more storage. I think those are the services card. Now moving on to the room. This is usually where you keep your luggage. We've got a really big TV with a personalized greeting. And you can see there is a massive table. You can probably get a lot of work done here. Moving further down, we've got, what's that? A fruit basket. Thank you, Hilton. And then we have this nice sofa here. And also a view. Let's check it out. Okay, not bad. It's a city view. I think you can see further down there, it looks like it's about to rain. The last thing about this room is obviously the massive bed. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this bed is so plump. I'm quite sure we're gonna get a lot of good sleep on this bed tonight. Alright guys, that is it for the room tour. Like I said, this is the King Executive Room. Thank you once again to Hilton Kota Kinabalu for giving us this room to make our stay so nice during our trip in Sabah. That's it for this video and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye! Ow, I just hit the door.